Hey guys, welcome to Regrob.com, and today in this video we'll give you actual view of Mahagun Mezzaria 3 BHK flat which is of 2500 square feet. So here is the entrance. And here comes the living room of this flat. The spacious living room. Which is having an attached balcony. As here you can see the excellent interior work. And now we are giving you the view of wide balcony. The spacious balcony. Next we are moving towards the dining hall. So here is the dining hall. Here you can see the common washroom of this flat. Now we have entered into the first bedroom of this flat. Very well crafted with lavish interior decoration and specifications. So here you can see the spacious bedroom. With wooden flooring. Next we have entered into the second bedroom of this flat. Beautifully designed. With laminated wooden floor. And here is an attached washroom with this bedroom. Now moving next, this we have entered into the third bedroom of this flat. And here is an attached washroom. Over there you can see the wardrobe. And laminated wooden floor. Here is the washroom. This we have the balcony attached with this bedroom. Now here is the modular kitchen, the spacious kitchen with separate utility area. Here is a servant room. And this is an attached washroom with this servant room. So friends, this we have given you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat, which is of 2500 square feet. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.